the birds and the bees are animals, no more than that. So saying, I ran upstairs to bed. I did not want to undergo the forced confusion of humans through whom elemental drives are aimed. The buds splayed on the lawn alarmed me, set off raging allergies, and I sneezed through each fevered May. In August, honeysuckle made a case for going back outside. By then, all vegetation had learned the trick of looking well-informed. The tree they planted by my window grew and embarrassed me with a flowery show of wooing, a serenade beneath description. I had to start with death and slowly work my way back towards a love that I could put into words. The flytrap offered its desires, and I heard buzzing sounds for years. Then ivy soothed me. When I awoke, the language of flowers was tongue-in-cheek, and I had missed both the innocence of nature and its decadence.